leaking CO2 magazine video. So currently my KJW Taurus PT92, its magazine is deciding to leak, which is not good. I'll just show you a quick demonstration on what's going on with it. And fingers crossed, sort of got an idea from YouTube, and just thought I might as well give a demonstration on what a CO2 leaking magazine looks like. So here it is, you've got your magazine obviously, CO2 cartridge goes in. I'm just gonna, don't know where I'm gonna hold this, yeah, that'll do. Okay, this is what's gonna happen. Like this, as you can probably see. Yeah, that is a leaking CO2 magazine right there. Fingers crossed I'm going to solve it. It's getting extremely cold right now. And yeah, as you can see, extremely cold.